Yeah.
So this sum is for provision for doubtful debts. We'll read the sum. Can somebody please read the sum for me?
Yeah.
Read.
Raja supplied the following information related to her trade receivables before the preparation of the income statement for the year 31st May 2023. Trade receivables 31st May 2012 was 18,800 and provision for doubtful debts was 940.
Stop.
Trade receivables.
Stop. This is the last year. This
Yeah.
is the current year. This is the last year's closing.
Yeah.
Last year closing is current year opening.
Yeah.
Okay. So what date will the current year opening be on?
Current year opening, miss, can you move the thing? It'll be April 1st,
After
2000.
May comes June 1. After 31st
Yeah,
May
fine.
will come June 1. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Then I know that OC and D. Old will be given and new you will have to find out. Is the old already given to us?
Yeah.
How
Yeah.
much is the old?
940.
940. So you will write balance, begin down 940. And without anybody saying, we can also write this May 31 balance close down. Even if I don't know the amount, I can write it. I can put these two lines. And again on 2013 June 1, I can write balance begin down. This is the peculiar format, or this is the normal format that we follow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now let's do the total of the bad debts. What is the total of the bad debts?
1.
What is the total of the bad debts? 502 plus 90 plus 288, 880.
883.
Huh? 883?
No, I got 80.
502 plus 90 plus 288.
Yes, it's 880. It's 880.
It is 880. Okay. And provision for doubtful debts is maintained at how many percent?
5%.
Okay. It is maintained at 5% of trade receivables or net trade receivables.
Net trade.
Net trade receivables.
No, I trade receivables.
Okay. Come on. How will you do it?
You have to do 19,200 minus
Okay.
880.
Into
We'll do
And
it
then
together. We'll do it together. Trade receivables is 19,200
yeah,
minus new bad debts. How much is the new bad debts?
880.
880. So what is the NTR?
18,320.
18,320. NTR
Yeah.
is 18,320. So what will be your new provisions?
Divided by 100. 916.
So 18,320 into 5%, it is 916.
916.
So your new provisions is how much?
916.
Where will I write this new provisions?
On the debit side.
Yeah. OC and ND is done.
Yeah.
Okay. After this, what do I do?
You will write 24
Old
on.
minus new.
Yeah.
I know you can get it as a balancing figure, but I want it to be a habit that will always do old minus new. Okay, only one time less, I can find it as balancing figure. I know it will come over here because 940 is the total.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, but I want you all to do it this way. What is old?
Old is
What is
Yeah,
new?
960.
916.
There is an increase in the provision, or is there a decrease in the provision?
There is a decrease in the
There's a
provision.
decrease.
There is a decrease in the provision, and old minus new is positive. What is the amount?
24.
24. Old minus new is positive. There is a decrease in the provision. So what is it for us?
It is
Other
an
income.
other
It is
income.
a
Yeah.
gain for us. It is other income. So income statement, debit or credit?
Income
Credit,
statement will be credit.
So PDD will be
debit.
Debited.
very well. So PDD will be debited, and this will again be on the last date. And what will I write over here?
Income statement.
Income statement.
Income statement.
Gain.
Yeah, it is a gain. Now, the reason to analyze whether it was an increase or a decrease, a gain or a profit is because if you have any extended question, you will be easily able to answer on the basis of your working. Okay?
Hmm.
What is the effect of reduction in PDD would have on the following? Come on, tell me.
Gross profit, no effect.
Yeah, no
No,
effect.
right? Profit for the year,
Profit for the
Increase in PDD, so it will be decrease.
there is a decrease in the PDD.
Or
It is
decrease, so it will be
positive.
increase.
It is gain. It is other income.
Okay.
So profit for the year will increase. And
Yeah.
for trade receivables,
trade receivables will increase.
Increase.
okay. Please be careful over here. From
Yeah.
the trade receivables, you minus your new PDD. You have nothing to do with the increase or decrease in PDD in your trade receivables. Full
Oh,
amount of the new PDD is subtracted from the trade receivables. Increase or decrease only comes in the income statement. So no effect on the trade
no effect.
receivables.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Can we go to the next question?
Hmm.
Start. Come on. We have to make a bad debts account,
Hmm.
provision for doubtful debts account, and writ account. When I'm making any person's account, we have to first determine whether it is an SLCA or a PLCA. Okay. What is the format of the provision for doubtful account?
OCND.
OCND plus
OCND plus minus. Plus is what?
decrease.
Plus is a decrease and minus is an increase.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. What is the format of a bad debts account? You will
You'll
write the
take
name of the debtors over here, and
yeah,
on the last date you will transfer it to the income statement.
income statement.
So if you see it is die, here also it is die, just for the purpose of remembering. Okay.
Yeah.
So we know the formats. Now we will read, and as per the formats, we will start putting the things.
Okay.
Go, somebody read.
At 1st March 2016, trade receivables are 56,000. Provision for doubtful debts is 2240. This 2240 you'll put in the provision for doubtful debts account on the credit side.
So
Credit side as
old
opening
credit.
balance.
So in
Yeah.
2016 March 1, old credit. So this will be balance begin down, and without anybody telling us, we will also put the balance close down on the last date. What is the last date? I look at the shortcuts to analyze the last date.
28th February 27.
2017, 28 February.
Miss, you're doing this on the bad debts account. This will be in PLC, this now PDD account.
Sorry, my bad. I'll just change it.
Uh,
Done. So 2017, what date? Feb 28.
Feb 28.
Balance closed down. And I don't know the balance as of now. But I will also bring this down on 20th, 2017, March 1. And it will become the balance begin down. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Can we go ahead?
Yeah.
Hmm.
On 1st December 2016, a debt of $860 owed by Amit was written off. So this will go in the bad debts
That
account
is the count.
on the debit side as Amit 860
Yeah.
on 2016 December 1st.
Done. Then
On 28th Feb 2017, sales ledger balances totaled $64,800. Included in these was a balance of $1,100 owed by Ruth, who had been declared bankrupt.
okay, fine. Now let's understand this. Sales ledger balance. In the sales ledger, whose account do you make?
Your debtors account.
In the sales ledger, you make your debtors account or your trade receivables account.
Hmm.
So your new trade receivable is how much? Your new
56,000.
trade receivables is 64,800.
Yeah.
And your new bad debts is how much? How much is new bad debts? 1,100 that was given by Raj.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, fine. Now let's see. Rath has given you a bad debt. So in the bad debts account, whose name will you put?
Right.
So 2017, Feb 28. How much?
1100.
1100. Okay, fine. Let's talk about Rath. He's given you bad debts.
Yeah.
That means it's an SLC account.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Balance taken down on the debit side. Then you have a credit sales. Everything
Yeah.
else will go on the credit side.
Yeah.
So everything else is bad debts. How much? 1100.
100.
Does that mean at the start of the year, Rath had a balance begin down? Does that mean at the start of the year, Rath had a balance begin down of 1,100? He became bankrupt and nothing is now, nothing we are going to get from him now.
Hmm.
Okay,
Ah,
Rath account is closed.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
yeah.
Also remember this part. This was old bad debts and this is new bad debts.
Yeah.
The one that I write off on the last date is new bad debts. The one that is written off during the year is old bad debts. Why do I need to classify between old and new?
To get the like percentage of PDD
To
because
get
it's a
the net trade receivables. Net
Oh.
trade receivables is trade receivables minus
After
new
subtract-
bad debts. Okay.
yeah.
So my
Yeah.
trade receivables was 64,800. New bad debts is 1,100. I see over here they have asked me to prepare an extract of the statement of financial position. So I can
Yeah.
prepare this. So minus new bad debts 1,100. What is my net trade receivables? What is my net trade receivables?
66,700.
64,800 minus 1,100. It is 63,700. Very
Hmm.
Now, What is the new provision? The
The new
rate
provision will be
unchanged.
63,700 into 5 divided by,
into, how did you get 5?
because 5 was, oh wait, 5 was in the previous one, my bad.
Miss, don't we
Okay.
have to do 56,000 upon 2240 into 100 to get it?
Okay. So the rate of provision for doubtful debts was unchanged. That means I have to find old provisions for doubtful debts. How do I find the old provisions? PDD upon trade receivables into 100. What is PDD? 2240. Trade receivables 56,000 into 100. So 2240 divided by 56,000 into 100. So 4%.
Yeah.
So what is the rate of PDD?
4%.
So my rate of PDD is 4%. Very good. My rate of PDD is 4%. Now I will subtract my new PDD. So what is new PDD? 63,700 into 4%.
2548.
So it is 2548. So my trade receivables that will come in my statement of financial position will be 63,700 minus 2548. So it is 61,152. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So state extract is over. Now the new provisions also I get 2548. Yeah.
So balance PD will be 2548.
Yeah. So the new I always find. So I did the OCND. My OCND is already done now.
Yeah.
Now let's go again to the question and start closing the account. Bad debts account, what will I do?
You will add
190.
both and write income statement on the
I
credit
will
side.
add both and I will write income statement on the credit side 1960 on the last date.
Yeah, 1960.
Income, it is closed. Bad debts account is closed. Provision for doubtful debts account. Old minus new. What will I do?
Old minus
Old
new.
minus new.
Old minus new. How much is the old?
Old
Old
is
is
2240.
New is
254.
258.
2548. That means there is an increase.
Yeah.
That means it is a loss.
Yeah. It's a
Yeah.
negative value. So
That
it'll be
means
on.
income statement debit. It
Yeah.
is a negative figure. How much?
It is 308.
It is 308. 308 will come over here. Please remember, you can always find this as balancing figure, but I don't want you to do that. Is it done?
Yeah.
Yeah.